expert taga Salo. Kakita!
Hi guys!
Maitim ka!
Hi guys! Good evening! So tonight we're gonna drive recklessly.
Let's go! Let's go! But we are going in the east. I know, in the west. There's north, west, east, south. North, south, west, east. Oh. We are going to the east.
Tonight you will going to see how to drive recklessly.
Wait. Let me fix my foot. My seating arrangement. I will guide. Oh, pinalang ka nun eh. Nauubaran ako. Oh my God. Ito. Grip test. Pag nalagtag yung cellphone ni Mama, patay ako sa kanya. One hand, no? Look, one hand. So, what will you say to our viewers? Ante, what will you say to our viewers? Let's go. What I will say to my viewers, thank you for watching. And subscribe, and notification bell. Reckless driver, oh. Oh. Di mo kaya yan. Wala. Look at that driver. He is faster than you. Okay. Wala lang ganit tawil ko. Okay. So wala. I don't have any shares. Viewers. The viewers will get bored when it's 3 minutes. So you have to short it. Driver, what will you say? Get happy. Okay. Ano English na masikip ate?
Masikip? Very tight.
Tight lang? We are going to tight road. Anong English ng lagusan?
Lagusan.
Botehan. Order pa ni Mama. Wala na libre. There's no free in the world today. Wala nang libre sa mundo ngayon. There is no free things in the world. Hintayin daw natin something. Oh, magandang vlog to. Balagbag. Ang ganda ng quality.